Hello guys, the video I'll shoot for you today is how you can make a wallpaper from a live photo. Let's start. First thing you have to do is unlock your phone, go to your home screen and open your camera. In the upper right corner, there's a live icon and you have to be activated by clicking, and when you activate it, live text will appear on the screen with a yellow background. Now let's take any photo in motion. Click the last photo we took, which shown at the left bottom. Then click on the arrow icon at the bottom left and scroll down the screen and tap use as a wallpaper. Let's click on the live icon on the left here again to activate it. And then tap the add on the upper right corner. And you'll see a pop-up message says set as a wallpaper pair, and by clicking that message, your new live wallpaper will be activated. Thanks for watching guys, hope to see you in the next video, and if you like my video, please hit that like and subscribe button.